Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. Here one circuit is given here. So in that circuit, how to find voltage drop Vx across this resistor? Means across this resistor, what is the voltage drop Vx? This is the problem. When you observe carefully here, it have one voltage source and three resistors, one dependent voltage source. Now how can you find that voltage drop Vx across resistor in the given circuit? So according to Ohm's law, we know that V equal to IR. Keep aside. Now see here only one loop is there. So in the loop, let us assume that the current I is there. According to KVL, source voltage is equal to sum of all the voltage drops and independent source voltages, that is equal to source voltage. That is 15 volts equal to voltage drop across 1 ohm is, according to Ohm's law, V equal to at 1 ohm current I is there and 1 ohm resistance is there, nothing but I. So I plus next is the voltage, dependent voltage is, that is 2Vx, plus here voltage drop is 5I, so 5 is R and current I is there in the loop. Next 2I, now it becomes 5I plus 2I, 7 plus 1, nothing but 8I. 8I plus 2Vx. Here what is Vx? Vx is nothing but the voltage drop across resistor, 5 ohm resistor. So according to Ohm's law, it can be written as 8I plus 2 into, so Vx is nothing but 5I according to Ohm's law. So 5 into I. So from this we get 8I plus 10I, that's equal to 18I. So 18I equal to 15 volts. So I equal to 15 by 18. This is the current in the given circuit. But here we want the voltage drop Vx. So Vx is nothing but 5I. I we got 15 by 18. Now substitute here. Then we get Vx equal to 5 into 15 by 18. By simplifying this, we'll get Vx equal to 4.167 volts. This is the voltage drop across the resistor, and this is the required value for the given problem. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks. If any comments, don't forget to comment.